have a flight mode setting. It must be switched off now.
How would you like to travel today? Fly very high and reach for the end of the world. Fly above the clouds. Well, maybe not to the end of the world, but what do you say to the last corner of Mexico? One of the quietest and most paradise-like places in Mexico. But wait, first we have to make the stop in Chiquila. Driving to Chiquila. And then take the ferry that will take us there. There's always that moment of anticipation, right? Just before reaching your destination. So we are now on the ferry, ready to get across to Holbox. This is Chiquila, and we're heading over there right now, where the real adventure is going to start. Let me tell you briefly what Holbox is all about. To begin with, it is an island in the northernmost part of the state of Quintana Roo. Holbox means in Mayan, black hole. But that is another story for another time. This beautiful island of white sandy beaches is 25 miles long, 1.2 miles wide, and about 21 miles of beach to the north. As you can see, it is not very big, but it's great. One of its main attractions is the whale shark tour, which I couldn't do. And this is where I want to start this short story. And while I tell you the story, we will get to know some places of this wonder of the Mexican Caribbean. If there is something that makes Holbox so unique, as you can see, it is the murals. Murals everywhere. You turn the corner and there they are. You got the one with the puppies, the sunset, the fisherman, etc., etc. Anyway, as I was saying, this trip was planned back in the beginning of 2021, essentially to be able to enjoy the show that takes place in the depths of these waters around September.
Swim with the whale shark.
Well, as it turns out, the weather was pretty bad and the entire tour was cancelled. Therefore, we had to find other alternatives to show you, because that's what it's all about, that you get to know some parts of Mexico through my lens. Oh, by the way, the food is just fabulous. The specialty seafood, and I tell you, it doesn't get any fresher than this. But back to the story. As I got here, getting to know the place, I found out that Holbox is mainly a destination for resting and relaxation. Yes, there are many other activities, but this island is for resting. Question, do you know what the mystery behind this mural is? If you know, leave it in the comments. Enlighten me. Please, somebody enlighten me. Another major attraction of this place is the gastronomy. Countless places to delight your taste buds. Oh, by the way, something that also abounds in Holbox are places to take that Instagram photo. You'll find plenty of places to take tons of pictures. Due to my not being able to swim with the whale shark, I went for the closest thing there is to it. Swimming with other fish. Smaller ones, of course. Enjoy these calm turquoise waters. Well, when the sun is brightest, is when the color of its waters is best appreciated. Now, the sunset from this point is something out of this universe. We are almost there. Stay tuned. And yeah, as I was saying, this video wasn't really going to exist, since everything I had planned just completely fell apart. But I thought there has to be something worth showing from this whole situation. And sure enough, there was. For starters, I had never walked in a place where the streets are warm, soft, white sand. And get this, only about 3,000 people live in this island. And if you think that you can jump in your car and go for a drive, think again. Although some cars are allowed, most transportation on this island is via electric golf carts and bicycles. Okay, this would be an excellent trivia question for all of you who are into trivia. Name a place in Mexico where there are no traffic lights. Answer, that's right, Holbox.
Original Marquesita, straight from Holbox, like no other. Look at that, steamy Marquesita.
And yes, of course, as it should be, about to delight my senses with a delicious Marquesita. One of the renowned desserts that are a specialty of this area of the country. And now, I give you what in my opinion is the best part of this place. Besides, of course, the whale shark, its people, its murals, its nature, its gastronomy, its turquoise waters. The sunset. I will show you in time that spectacular experience of swimming with the whale shark. I promise, very soon. And we will see what other pleasant surprises we find when we come back to Holbox. If you have already been here, leave a comment letting us know how your experience was. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. And if you like this type of content, you can subscribe and activate the bell for more adventures like this one. Thank you and see you in the next one. Enjoy this spectacular,
fiery sunset.